I think we are working in two parts. One is organically, we develop innovation by being close to our customers and able to identify their pain points and launch and design products, that can help them to increase the life of the equipment and extend the life of the equipment and reduce the time to repair the equipment. As an example, we are now launching the new high-impact fast-curing welding compound, which is unique in the market, able to repair components like screens, like hydrocyclones, ball and sack mills in the mineral processing plants. The second strategy is to incorporate technologies from leading companies in the world, like CSNRI. They are experts in the structural reinforcement with composites, mostly used in oil and gas and in mining accounts. So I think with these two strategies, we are able to really support our customers and help them to maintain and keep the plants running.
Thank you for the question. Indonesia is a very important market for LOCTITE, and we have been here for many years providing solutions to our customer in Indonesia. This year, we're actually celebrating our 50th anniversary here in Indonesia. So it's very meaningful for us to be here, connect with the customers and our distributors, and introduce our new technology. And this year, we're extremely happy to introduce our newest members in the family, CSNRI, providing corrosion control solution to our customers, on top of wear protection we already provide to our mining customers in the industry. As we say here, LOCTITE beyond the bond, we always strive to provide the total solution to solve the most complex business problems and challenges for our customer.